Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I have Popeyes. Guys, I went twice today. I went twice to see if they have the spicy chicken burger, the new one. They don't have it. They have like a paper that says like, sorry, we're out. I was just like, really? I was like, okay, then can I have like some chicken strips? And here's some fries. Oh, so I got the chicken tenders, the 3-piece, I think I got the 3-piece. Yeah, these are like some, look at this. This is a chicken tender. I don't know what this is. It comes all together. Like, look, I'm scared. What is this? This is not a chicken tender. Okay, I kind of believe this one is a chicken tender, bro, but the rest, I don't know. And then I got a little biscuit I had, and then some fries. I've never tried these fries before, like, ever. I never had this meal before, ever. And of course, some buffalo sauce. Guys, I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. But yeah, I went during my lunch. I got my lunch at 12, and I went during my lunch. And I you know what? I'm lying. I did go during my lunch, guys, but I didn't ask because there was like a ginormous line. So wait, that's a fail. It was just one time. But I did try to go on my lunch, but I just left because I saw this ginormous line, and I was like, no way, Jose. This chicken tastes bland. When I first ordered, I saw the paper that it said they were out of the burgers. And the lady was all rude. She's all like she was tired. I guess she was tired of people asking her already. Like, no, we're out already. I'm like, okay. And then like they were showing like these new wings, I guess. They were like big right there. I'm like, do you guys have the wings check? No, we don't have that either. We're out. I'm like, okay, well, give me a second. Like, I need a second to see what else I want to order, since you're telling me you don't have anything. And then as soon as I told her if they had like the 3-piece tenders, girl, her voice changed. I was like, girl, I just got off of work. I'm hangry. And you don't have the chicken burger? Like, no. Mm-mm. The fries, the biscuit, and the buffalo sauce. Dank. Did I tell you guys I got Coke? These fries are pretty good. I don't know what you is. I better not be crying later on. Then I have like heartburn because of this buffalo sauce. Guys, I'm sorry, but I do not recommend getting these tenders. I don't like them. I ate all my fries. Damn, I was hungry. Here's another wannabe chicken tender. I don't know what this is. The chicken looks so white and clear. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this Popeyes mukbang. I don't know what this is. Whatever you guys can guess, comment down below. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Bye. Peace.